Wait.
Yo, if you don't have them Easter bun, yeah, you might not be able to get one. So don't try fake the funk and try to get it last minute. You get
This is
me? If
what
you
I'm
don't
saying.
have the if
Oh,
you don't have the HTB bun,
this is it.
no,
Okay.
no
So
other bun, no other bun than make it. Yeah,
this
you
is
know
it.
what I mean?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, no other bun than make it.
Let's
Not
go.
even the bun your girl I give you.
Yeah,
Don't make
let's
it.
go.
Yo,
Let's go.
you get
Okay, guys. So this is your guy, the king of trainers. We're gonna see who has the real bun and cheese tomorrow at the
me?
Sneakerhead
Whoa!
Sound Clash. I had to bring this out to let you guys know I'm coming with a serious bun and cheese. Okay, so myself and Chris the Word on the Feet are gonna give you a tutorial on how to do a sound clash. Chris, let them know what's going on.
So hear what people, yeah. So you know what I mean. It was wicked. Last week. Want to big up everyone that participated. You get me? But you know we're gonna lay the foundation for this week. For those that you don't know, this is a big weekend reggae wise. It's Easter weekend. You know what I mean. We know that everyone's locked down, so we want to bring that vibes. You know what I mean, to the Easter weekend despite the situation. So we're gonna be running you through a little way just how to get everything because everyone needs to be ready this week, yeah? Everyone needs to be ready, yeah?
Ready.
We can't have none of this like, oh, look, I can't get my, set up your thing tonight, you get me? Get yourself in the right frame of mind, you know what I mean? And get this thing popping, yeah? Because Easter weekend, so we're not playing around. And another important thing to do is for all of those of you who enjoyed it last week, spread the word. You know what I mean? Get your people involved. Get your fans on the line, all your followers. You get me? And let's just let's hype up the thing. You know what I mean?
So okay. So what we're gonna do?
So these are just the essentials. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, we're not giving you too much, but the essentials for what you need to do tomorrow.
Okay. So what we're gonna do now? The rules of the Sound Clash is it's any genre. You can play anything you want. Yeah. But you guys have to understand it's a clash. So it's clash music, yeah? Also, you have maximum 3 minutes. So 3 tunes, a mix. So don't play the whole song. It's a clash. So you play the intro, the best bits, and then you come out. You know, it's all about your presentation. It's all about how you get the crowd hyped. And it's all about the vibe, yeah? Cool. So me and Chris are going to take you through a couple of things. Chris, you going to go first or me?
No, you go first, man. I'll let all challengers go first if they want to. You know what I mean?
don't forget I'm the king, you know.
Yeah,
okay.
You brought the bun out, so you better follow it. You better follow it with
real
bun. You get me? So you brought the bun, so bring around the cheese. You get me? You know?
Let's go. Okay, how we set this off? Okay. Let's set this off.
What? You're fire. One shot, you're fire. One shot of fire.
No, all right. Let's go. Let's set it off right. Come on. Okay. Let's set this off right.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Easy warm up. Pop.
Pray for my enemies, don't pray for me.
Oh.
Last man standing, I like my chance. See me in a fight with a bear, pray for the bear.
Pray for the bear, rude boy.
Hold the shit down by myself.
Blah.
Yo, we got Lord Jesus, please be my savior. Lord knows I got a whole lot of haters, but just more. My mind too strong and my nine too long. I get any pillow, you put a little mind on it. Just more.
Okay. No. See, this is too much.
Don't give them too much.
It's too much. What? Next stream, Chris, are you gonna give me something?
No. So I'm just gonna give you a little, you know what I mean? Like, so as you saw there from Franklin, that's what we need, yeah? You get me? Like, it's the complete package, you know what I mean? Like, so give it the energy, give it the vibes, give your tune that intro, you know what I mean? Like, look online for the sound effects and thing, and you know, just hype up your thing, you get me? You know what I mean? So, you know, I'm gonna give you like a few little pointers before I run a tune. You know what I mean? Just on how how to get it popping. You know what I mean? Just drop a few of these, you know, a few of these. Let them know.
Easy. Okay.
Now, give them sound effects. Give them sound effects.
Ready.
Fire all them layers, everything.
Go ahead.
And then, you know, you just drop into your tune, have your tune ready. You get me? You know what I mean?
Oh, you took it back, yeah? Okay. I got something for that.
And you do that wheel up.
Easy that. Boy.
Back. And then you done it. You get me? You done it. Once you had that drop, you just done the thing, man. You don't let it run too long, man. You know what I mean?
That's it. But people have to understand this is a clash. It's a clash. When a clash, you're not playing the whole tune. You clash and then you drop off. Anyway, I'm coming with something. Let me go straight into it. Go on. Get on with it, man.
King sound rules away.
Oh.
Dub plate special. Big up Paisley. Dub plate special. Okay.
What?
Let's go.
Don't get them too much.
Let's go. Next tune now. You ready for this one? You say you want to go
we're ready, man. We're ready. Run the tune, man. Stop that, man. Run it.
How many of you are ready for this one? Let's go.
No! Straight in your face until me machine breeze stock. Boss me comfy boss till you don't have no head back. Me jump out here to do enough time figure. Then me go back to your finna right up to dopey frost. Spit in your face then kick over your cheap box. 45 clock you lick up from them where I watch. A real bad man boss make note of that. Stand up over your grave up here to your oh, some boy you touch up and then no serve because where they are road man a boss. Yeah. How some pussy you touch up and then no set them we get cross. Bad man say why? Yeah. How some boy you touch up and then no serve because where they are road man a boss. Yeah. How some pussy you touch up and then no set them we get cross. Done.
Yeah. That's how you gotta do the thing. So you know, the tune selection is paramount. You know what I mean? So it's either a straight up sound clash song or, you know, a song that's gonna work for the message that you're trying to get across. You know what I mean? So, and of course, you know, we're not gonna play any of the songs that we played today. You know what I mean? We got more. You know, we got artillery. Yeah.
We got artillery.
You know. So I'm just gonna play one more. You know what I mean? And you know, some people might know it. You get me? But this one a real burial tune, yeah. It's a burial all sneakerhead soundboy. But I'm just playing it now in the tutorial. Yeah, but just I play it now, you get me? I'm just playing it now in the tutorial. That shows how much tune man's got, you get me? So a big thing. Big tune me I play now. Big tune for all of them sneakerhead soundboy, yeah? Ready?
Ready.
Don't take it personal. Ready?
Really.
You go cut them down. Take out them tongues.
They're not ready.
Done. Big tune have to play. You get me? This Friday, big tune have to play. You know what I mean? It's not about, you know, it's not about no dibby sound.
No dibby sound. And that's
big tunes only.
This is what I'm saying. And this is just the warm up. This is what we're coming strong. We want to shout out everyone who took part last week. This is the tutorial. We're going to put this on YouTube. so that everyone can understand how you do a Sneakerhead Sound Clash. This is something that's going to go on forever. You get me? You know, so big yourselves up, everyone. This has been the tutorial. Yeah, you have to be ready. Tonight, sorry, tomorrow night, it's Good Friday. We're bringing out the real bun and cheese, and you guys have to be ready. Ready. This was just light work. This is light. You get me?
Yeah, you
light.
know, man gave you these two. Man gave you these tunes for free. You know what I mean? Man gave you these tunes for free. And at the end of the day, don't come and play any of these tunes, yeah, because it's gonna be like raw, but them tunes on the tutorial. You get me?
That's what I'm saying.
And like we said, because you know, Sneakerheads, it's all about the swag. Remember, the outfits need to be on point. So let's do the whole preparation, man. It's a big thing. You get me? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Done the dance. Done the talking.
Let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Quickly. Peace, guys.